So we start off today's video with someone who has extremely long waistline hair. Wow, the stylist is just chopping that hair right off. Now she has some gorgeous, natural, wavy, curly hair as well. Can't wait to see what the stylist does with those strands. Oh, so she ends up getting kind of like a curly pixie bob style. Cute little bangs in the front. I love the fact that she kept her natural texture. This is beautiful. So here we have someone with some long, almost waist-length hair. Her hair is very thick and full. She does a DIY cut here. And then, of course, the stylist goes in, cleans up the look. She gets a fresh shoulder length bob, aka lob haircut. Beautiful smile to match the cut. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. Like she might be getting a bob. Face framing bangs. Beautiful. I love how much bounce her hair has. Look at that. So much body, so much movement. And this is definitely one of the hottest bobs we're seeing right now. So it looks like we have another bob haircut transformation here. Once again with the layered bangs, the curtain bangs to frame out the look. Ooh. I actually like the bangs being worn to one side or the other. That's really pretty. But he does go ahead and add in that center part. And then here we have someone, she looks like she's in for a cut refresh. Oh, she's getting asymmetrical pixie. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. Oh, I love it. Longer bangs in the front. This is so chic and cute. And then she even has a little undercut on the side. I love this haircut. So cute. So here we have someone, looks like she has some gray roots coming in. Hair is around mid-length. Oh, okay. Whoa. She went super short and got a pixie. Wow. Now she did get some color as well and chose to embrace the fact that she is going gray. I love the way that this came out. Looks so fashion forward, and despite the fact that she did go gray, I feel like she looks younger versus how she looked before. Very interesting. So here we have someone getting a pixie. She's got this gorgeous chocolate brown color. I love the shape of this pixie because it really makes her cheekbones pop. The way that it's structured around her face, the bangs. Very cute. And lots of options when it comes to styling with this one. You can spike it up, wear it down. Very cute. Alright, you guys, so I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these gorgeous hairstyle ideas with me and you were able to gain some major hair inspiration. If you were, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and I will see you in the next one.